Haro cia maai gatagati ga thirikari cia kaunti na kambuni cia kuramata maai ironekana igithie na mbere na gwithegea uruoro rwa tema. Ndugamano njeru igi uramati wa maai kaunti-ini ya Embu ni yumiritie gitumi kinene rigeri ya thirikari ya kaunti no kugeria kuyukia urugamiriri wa kambuni ya Ewasco. Kurerikana gavana Martin Nyaga Wambora akoretwo akendikithia arugamiriri aria matathuritwo kiwatho gutongoria kambuni-ini ino, undu uria ucungiririe ngucanio nene kambuni-ini ino guka arugamiriri Ewasco hamwe na MCAs makiregana na igeria riri.
Vile directors wanachaguliwa, kuna ile sheria inatakiwa ifuatwe. There is select committee na hiyo mambo ilifanywa vizuri, lakini ile inatustua ni kwamba wale watu walichaguliwa na wale watu walifanya interview ni tofauti na wale waziri na gavana wanaleta.
Ningi horo ni uhithukite ati thirikari ya kaunti ino ni amukirite kigena kia muigana wa ciringi milioni 450 iria ciaheanitwo ni bengi ya thi cia gwikira miberethi ya gutekero na maai ma giko, undu umwe na kigena utakiu kiria kieranirwo ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ya kugacirithia uheani wa maai.
That time we knew that people were targeting the 450 million which have been given by the World Bank to do the sewage project. Right now, Ewasco is an advanced stage with the European Union to get about 500 million so that they can be able to put water in the lower side of Embu County.
Kurerikana ati kumana na ndugamano no minister wa maai kaunti-ini no naguo na higithitie kaunti ciothe cia bengi cia kambuni ya Ewasco undu uria uthanaritie uheani wa maai kuri muingi.
Freezing the account means that the cash shows will not get their pay. It means the board will not be able to meet. It means water will not be able to be repaired, and therefore we'll be expecting shortage of water.
Kuringana na MCA kaunti ino maugite minister wa maai ni manyitanire na gavana Martin Nyaga Wambora gutumia utungata wa kambuni ya Ewasco ndore maugite matigwitikirio thie na mbere.
So we are asking the CEC member of water Bwana Waganagwa to keep off Ewasco. If he is not ready to follow the procedure of electing new directors, he should keep off Ewasco.
Leave the affairs of Ewasco alone. Let him go to do his job. He has a well-cut job in his office. Leave the affairs of Ewasco alone, because we will not allow him to mess the families and the people of Embu County.
Riu atongoria matiganite kaunti-ini no ni moritie gavana na minister wake gwithema kuigirira mihango ya kambuni ino makiuga ni megutacukirio ikinya ria kiwatho. Handu-ini Hakameme TV, njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.